I have already placed an order. It's a custom order of Louis Vuitton Alma BB World Tour, guys. OMG. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see you guys here. Firstly, I would like to greet you guys Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. That is why for today's episode, we have very exciting topic for today because I'm going to share to you on how you could customize your very own Louis Vuitton bag. Yes guys, you are hearing that correctly. This is not a joke. So guys, honestly, there have been very little information on how you could customize your very own Louis Vuitton bag. I was able to do a little bit of research and I'm going to share to you everything you need to know to customize your very own Louis Vuitton My World Tour. I'm going to share to you guys the advantages, of course, of why customize your very own Louis Vuitton bag, and then I'm going to share to you what bags and SLGs you could customize under this Louis Vuitton My World Tour. I will be also showing the product codes and the prices and would be linking it on the description box below. And last but not the least, we are going through step-by-step instruction on how you could finally customize your very own Louis Vuitton bag. So guys, are you excited? Do you want to know and find out everything all about these? So I'm inviting you to please make sure you watch until the end of the episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetar and Fashionista. I publish vlogs every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. I would like to share to you, of course, the advantages of why customize your very own Louis Vuitton bag. This, of course, rarely happens. As we know, this is not being offered most of the time by Louis Vuitton. Normally, you are going to just buy what's in store, what's in stock, and what new collections they will be coming up from time to time. So, of course, if you are going to have your very own custom Louis Vuitton bag, OMG. So it would seal the deal because definitely customizing your very own Louis Vuitton bag so you could choose the combination, the materials, then definitely you are the only one who's going to have that bag combination. So definitely your bag would be so unique and would be one-off. That's why I'm super excited in customizing my very own Louis Vuitton My World Tour bag. So for everyone who is not familiar, what is the Louis Vuitton My World Tour? So you would be able to customize your very own Louis Vuitton bag. So later I'm going to show you all the selections. So basically you can choose the combination and the stickers that you could put on, which is very exciting. So now let us go to louisvuitton.com. So for the Louis Vuitton My World Tour, so there are many bags and SLGs that you could definitely choose from. So we have here, of course, the Neverfull MM for 2,440. We have the Neon Wave My LV World Tour for same price. Of course, we have this one very beautiful Speedy Bandolier 30. We have also the Horizon 55 My LV World Tour. Then we have the Keeple Bandolier 55 and the 50. And then for the SLGs, we have in monogram, passport cover, card holder, and of course, my personal favorite, guys, the classic Pochette Metis in the monogram and Alma BB in monogram. It's also available to order in a graphite for pocket organizer, passport holder, multiple wallet, and the Horizon 55. And then more on the classic monogram, we have the multi-pochette accessoire, the zippy coin purse, and can you believe it, guys, Palm Springs Mini is still available in this collection. Then you could still order the Keeple Bandolier 45, the graphite. Alright, so those are the bags and SLGs that you could custom under the Louis Vuitton My World Tour. So now let us go to the step-by-step instruction on how you could customize your very own Louis Vuitton bag. I'm so excited. So for me, let's do one bag. So we are going to do would be the Alma BB. So guys, so of course just click on that one and then it would bring you to this page. So as you can see here, the Alma BB My LV World Tour price is $2,170 US before tax, guys. And we are going to see here on the photo, this is the very beautiful Alma BB, however, the classic one, so brown monogram canvas, and of course the untreated vachetta. So super afraid of this one. So this is one of the advantages of the My World Tour. So if we are going to see here down below, so we are going to see here 2/7. So it means that you have 7 steps that you could choose from. So definitely, so this is not the very first step. So choose this icon over here and then choose the lining and color. So that would be the 1/7, because with the lining and color you could choose the combination. Because for me, I don't want to choose the vachetta, so I could choose a different combination. Alright, so now you could see 1/7, then lining color. So the original one, so comes with the untreated vachetta, and then the lining would be the brown canvas. And then you could choose a different one. So this is what I would be choosing. Of course, it would be the black leather trims, and then of course the interior or the lining would be the red fabric interior, which is, guys, OMG, now she looks very beautiful. So I'm going to choose that one, and then choose arrow right. So you could now go to the 2/7. So it shows here LV Pop Center. So here are the stickers that you could choose from these collections. So as you can see, guys, very beautiful. So you can just choose one among beautiful stickers. So there's LV stickers, there are icons, there's a dog, then there's also Vivienne in different star sign, then there's a nun on the lower right. For example, if you are feeling very conservative and don't want to have sticker, but for me, guys, I am a maximalist and I would want to maximize the stickers that I would want to choose for my LV World Tour. So I would be choosing this one first. And then as you are going to see, so one moment, the screen is loading. So now you are going to see, guys, on the example how the sticker looks like. So that is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. What do you think? You can still choose different ones. So like, for example, I'm not happy with that one, then I'm going to choose a different sticker there. And then if you are happy, just choose again the arrow right, so you could move on to the third stage. Alright, so for the 3/7, we have the cities, and it would be on the left side. So definitely choose the city that you want. So what do we have here? So we have Mexico, we have Dubai, we have San Francisco, they have Milano, they have Miami. So let me choose this one because this is Manila. I'm from Manila, Philippines, so I'm going to choose this city. So as we are going to see, so that's again how it would look like. And then I would choose arrow right so that we could go to the 4/7. It's just very easy. What do you think, guys, so far? Now, 4/7, make it your own, and then it would be posted on the right portion in front of the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. So here are the stickers you could choose from. So very cute. So they have the hearts, then they have the bag, super cute. They also have the bag tag, then they have more stickers, and then of course you could choose none if you don't want to add more stickers. So maybe, what do you think, guys? Maybe I could choose the heart just for as an example. And then free text, you could choose free text 3 to 7 characters. You could type in A to Z, 0 to 9. So I would be typing in, of course, my last name there. So that's how it would look like. What do you think? Now let's move on. So I'm going to choose arrow right. So this is now the back portion of your Louis Vuitton Alma BB. So again, it would be LV Pop, and then it would be on the center. So now you could, here are the stickers you could choose from. So they have the Vivienne. Maybe I would choose my star sign, which is Leo. That is where you are going to see the sticker. Super cute. Now let's move on. I'm going to choose the 6th sticker. So I'm going to choose arrow right again. So for the arrow right, Grand Hotel. So what are we going to choose here, guys? So many stickers or option hotels to choose from. So I'm going to choose Nice, because of course that is the city that maybe I would want to travel in the future. And then 7/7, the very last stage. 7/7 LV Heritage, and it will be put on the right portion of your bag. So we have here again so many. Oh, I love this one. So I'm going to choose the Petite Mal. So again, guys, you have an option to go back. If, for example, you are not happy, you could change definitely the sticker. Then choose next. Alright, so once you have chosen the 7/7 stickers, you can still review back. Again, guys, the stickers, as long as you haven't placed it in your cart, definitely you could still edit it out. So for example, just check on your screen, then you could definitely check the front portion of your bag. You could also check the lining, you could check the back part. And if, for example, you want to make changes, then definitely you could do so with the steps that we have discussed earlier. So once you are happy with the combination of the leather lining and the stickers, just click next. And then we are going to see here, guys, you have finished personalizing your product. So just to read, guys, my LV World Tour is made to order. So for delivery, please allow up to 8 weeks for bags and small leather goods and 12 weeks for rolling luggage. Orders cannot be canceled after 48 hours from order placement. So guys, be very, very careful. Again, you can only cancel this one within 48 hours. So then once you are already excited and you are so sure with your order, just click on place in cart. Then you are going to see you have finished personalizing your product. It has been added to your cart. So we have the Alma BB, my LV World Tour, with the product code, with the price, and then you could definitely see the details. You could also view what you have ordered. You could still review the details, the material, and all of that. So hopefully this has been very, very helpful to you guys. For us here in the Philippines, unfortunately, we cannot place an order online. My tip for you guys is go to our Louis Vuitton store here, either in Soler or in Greenbelt. So that's what I did. I went to my CA, I messaged him, and we customized our very own Louis Vuitton bag. So guys, I'm so happy and very, very excited. Definitely has been pre-ordered already. I would just need to wait a couple of more weeks to see the final product. And once I have everything, guys, definitely we are going to do a true unboxing and would be sharing it to you guys here. So guys, what do you think of our episode today? So hopefully I was able to share everything that you need to know. So definitely yes, so please do take advantage in customizing your very own Louis Vuitton bag, because honestly, guys, I am not really sure until when you could customize your bag at louisvuitton.com. So once this video has been published, please contact your CA or go to louisvuitton.com and play around and see if, you know, this is the best route in getting your very own Louis Vuitton bag. Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. Again, Merry Christmas. And I would be leaving a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!